back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. This one is going to allow you to work when you want to, so the schedule is completely flexible. You can work it around other jobs or other responsibilities. Of course, we are going to dive straight on in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Super Summary. Now, Super Summary only has 35 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please make sure you're doing your own research on all of these companies that I share before giving them your personal information. But out of those 35 reviews, they have a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a freelance editor for their literature study guides. Now, Super Summary is a fast-growing literature study guide company. They try to help students, teachers, and everyday readers understand a variety of fiction, nonfiction, and poetry text. So they write study guides for students, teachers, all the things. They're looking for somebody to read over these study guides and edit them. It says their study guides have a length of anywhere from 5,000 to 25,000 words, depending on the length and complexity of the text at hand or the book that they're trying to create the study guide for. Their guides include a balanced combination of summary and analysis, including chapter summaries, analysis, themes, symbols, and more. They have fiction book titles that they covered, including Exhalation, Decon King Kong, and Beloved. They list some other different like nonfiction and other titles that they cover as well. They're basically looking for somebody to commit to 15 to 20 hours per week, enough time to edit 4+ guides. So you'll just be reading through the guides, making sure that punctuation and grammar and all of that is correct. Now, a few things about this job. They are paying, it is part-time. They said they want you to commit to 15 to 20 hours per week. They are paying $22 an hour, and they pay out weekly. It is a fully remote and flexible work schedule. You'll be a freelancer, so they're not holding taxes out on you. This is a 1099 position. You'll be responsible for paying your own taxes. However, they're going to let you work when you want to. You just have to be consistent and reliable, work on the subject matter you love. You will also have the ability to select your assignments. You choose the text that you want to edit from a work queue. So you get free range of when you want to work and what you want to work on. Now, if this sounds like something you are interested in, they don't require any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who has great writing skills, editing experience, someone who has a passion for literature and the ability to analyze a variety of different texts. If you have a background in literature or teaching, that is a plus, but not required. They do want somebody who has the ability to prioritize their editing strategy for efficiency and effectiveness and has an interest in participating in other content team projects such as writer training or market research. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.